up? Let me check the audio quality real quick because it's the different. Yo, mic test. Man, I really have to see the YouTube. Wait. Because it's the different. Yo, mic test. Man, I really have to see the YouTube. Wait. Yo. Okay. What's up? What's up? 1, 2, 3. There you go. More gain. I think this should be good. I see it. Good. I think this should be good. Okay. Change the trading view layout. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. Just hold on. I think the audio quality is good here. Actually, I got in a position here, man, before the stream. That was just the wick fill setup. So I'm probably gonna close it shortly. I'm hoping if the price gets here, I'm gonna explain to you this. So yeah. Anyways. Okay, do you think this layout is good? Banks with Vikash. Yeah, it's good. Okay, so we are looking for sells on gold, obviously, because of the daily candle. Look how daily has closed. So today target is easily this area right here. Plenty of range for the London. So anything we can get for sells, we are open for that. I actually took this trade early. Probably gonna close it. Not really, I'm gonna leave it running, whatever, stop loss or GP. H4 has just started, so what if it just pushed down with the volume? So I'm gonna just see. On the other hand, GJ definitely open for buys. I think this 4-hour flip can do something. So yeah, if you go to the 15, very choppy, 30, still choppy. I think we can buy above here, man. Yeah, we can buy above here. EJ just for the side note, because if something happened to GJ, then EJ is gonna be there because they both move the same way. Okay, we have a nice range here. Yeah, anything above this easily can give us 1 to 1. So, or maybe 1 to 1.5. We'll aim for 1 to 1.5. So yeah, above here. EJ buys above here. I'm just gonna man, sorry, also I didn't brought my water. Let's see this. Yeah, EJ looks nice than GJ, man, to be honest. Because GJ, we have a very choppy range here, small range, and we have this wick rejection here. I think then GJ buys will be above this, but that'd be way too up. Instead, we can catch buys on EJ. So we'll just take a look on EJ. Other than that, I think sells below this would be fine. This was just a wick fill setup, clean range, like clean range. So I'm at least hoping this. What is this? 20 pips or something? Not really. Yeah, 20 pips. So I'm hoping for 20 pips at least on this position right here. And yeah. And for you guys, for the stream peoples, we're gonna sell it below this. We're gonna wait for the close below and we're gonna sell it. We have a plenty of range to catch 1 to 1 or maybe 1 to 1.5. If the volume is good, then 1 to 2 maybe. So yeah, we'll wait. Who is your mentor? I mean, I literally have learned from different various peoples, which was my mistake, to be honest. If you stick with one person, I think that will be very good. I wasted so much time that way, learning from different peoples and just try to implement that thing on charts. Wasted a lot of time. And sometimes, man, I get confused this day too. Like, for an example, like if I see demand supply people, they be like, this is the demand. If I see breakout peoples, they be like, price breaking this. So it's really tough. But if you just to answer your question, I learned from different people, but I would never recommend that. Just stick to 1%, that's all. Stick with one and yeah, give it time. What do you think about Raja Banks? Yeah, I have learned from him too. Raja Banks is also good. Like this breakout strategy, it's, I think Raja Banks introduced this thing. Nobody was doing it this way. So definitely he have a nice contribution in this industry, man. But yeah, you can't really blindly follow the concept that he teach. Of course, you have to back test that and you have to implement your things, and that's how you're gonna be doing good. Man, EJ looks very nice, so I'm gonna just wait for EJ to close above. Oh, 50-minute pattern is really nice, man. Did H4 flipped? Yeah, it did. I think it needs to break above this high. 12 pip stop loss. Yeah, I think guys, you can buy this here. I'm in this gold sell, so that's why I'm not doing anything. If I was not in, I definitely would have bought it here. Buy stop here, aiming for 1 to 1. I'm giving this trade to you guys. This is a little bit risky, to be honest, but it's just 4 hour is breaking its high. We have wick to fill and a 50-minute confirmation. So based on that, buy stop here, aiming for 1 to 1 makes total sense. Yeah. Anyways, let's see what this code is gonna do. Yeah, 50-minute is looking nice. If we break this, I think we easily can tap this. And yesterday was also so much bearish momentum. Yeah, if price would have broken above this, I would have thought for buys, but as it is really not doing that, so I'm just adapting with this momentum. And I don't really wanna be on that side. Okay, this gonna flip, and I mean, I've been there, man. It's really not the best. Alright, now we have broken this low. It means the 4-hour has broken this low too. And so I think it should fill this wick. At least. Yeah, let's see if we can fill that range or not. Cool. I think I'm gonna close my position here. Let me see. Yeah, it is 1 to 1 more than 1 to 1.5. So I'm gonna just secure my position. If you don't believe me, here. I'm gonna add this in journal. I don't know how, man, I should have taken a screenshot back then. Anyways, just gonna add this in journal, then we're gonna move on to the stream. And then, yeah. And what else I saw? The daily was way too bearish. And what else I saw? Yeah, I think this is all of it. I actually have made this new journal. I'm gonna give it to you guys so you can just do it. What is the date today? What was the time I got involved in this? 11:35. Loss size was 3. SL size was close to 12 pips. Entry time frame was what, 30 minutes? 30-minute and 1H. I think it was not 50 minutes, so outcome is what's the outcome, man? You see, I just secured it right at the wick. Made like close to 17 pips. After, I don't really have the after percentage. I think it was 2.5. Why it is 3 now? stream link is this. Okay, so guys, I have done my part here, so I'm just gonna continue the stream here. I'm sorry if you felt a little off here. Cool. Okay, let me put that FOREX too. I'm making this for stream, guys. I don't really judge on my trade, but hopefully we all can learn from this. Cool. Okay, so yeah. Now what we can do, we just have to wait for the break below now. We can't really do anything. Or if it breaks above, that's also nice. Yeah, what that will indicate, this may can flip and it can just break above. We can get 20 pip, 30 pip, 40 pip depending upon the volume. So I'm just gonna buy above here. This is no trade. We can't really take any trade in this. Okay, let's see what that EJ did. I gave you the trade, guys. Yeah, right, the break of this. 121 would have been pretty close, man. If I was not in that gold sell, I definitely would have been buying this. I gave you trade. You can't really tell me I didn't give you this. Everything was aligning. FOREX was flipping and re-breaking its own high. We have nice range here. I don't expect it to go to the top because we don't really want it. All right. We want 1 to 1, 1 to 1.5, 1 to 2 sometimes. That's all we want. And the trendline break, if you can see on the 5, you can also see on the 5 structure break. Yeah, man, it was really a lot of confluence in this. How we could have managed the risk if the 5 would have closed somewhere around here. I would have closed everything. Let me see the audio quality again. Let me see the audio quality again. Let me see the audio. Yeah, it's decent. Got some gold move to the down, but with different area. Happy to see match. Yeah. I think you must have seen this supply or something. I've traded this strategy. I mean, I trade multiple strategies. For an example, like yesterday, buys was based off of the imbalance, and entry was taken off of the breakout, of course. But the analysis was different. Yeah. I think I'll wait for the hourly close here. Not gonna go super heavy on this. Just gonna take. Just gonna risk the profits that I have made. GJ was nice, even if you bought GJ here, buys above, but the range was not clean. If it was clean, I would have entered this buy two positions. Gold definitely not touching it. You would have sold it You could have sold it below this too. I mean, I was watching it, but the thing was that it just fell in the, I think in 2 seconds, it's just boom. I was not having a chance to enter. If I was entering, I would have secured some profits here too. Yeah, stop loss was not even that much, man. I easily would have made what, 20 pips? Yeah, 20 pips, because this is the demand area from where the price reacted. Look, so this can be just equal lows in your term. Missed these, and yeah, I was just, anyways, can't really do anything. Yeah, I wanted to close above, made a bottom wick, and then flip. We're gonna aim for 1 to 1. I want to see what my risk was. Yeah, it was just 1.5%. I think it's good. Nothing too bad here. We have wicks here, so if price can break above, we're gonna see impulsive push at 12:30. 12:30 is not even gonna make a bottom wick. It means that that's pre-London, right? So sometimes, not sometimes, I've been back testing it, I've been watching it, and it just go give you 1 to 1, then it might can just go different way. Like here, not even made a wick, boom, crashed. Thankfully, the Wi-Fi is working, man. I mean, it was not working before 30 minutes. I was like, man, I don't know if I'll be able to stream or not because I've taken a challenge, man. I like this next year, I'm gonna stream every day, bro. I'm gonna stream every day, and this journal, I'm gonna place every trade we take here, and then you're gonna see if this strategy is profitable or not. And then you can just use this information and you can use this in your trading. Tech, basically, I'm just doing this for my journey to just keep my things, to keep just a journal of my trades and things like that. Because I have issue, man. I fucking take multiple positions and I don't want to do that. This sell was nice. Beautiful. I would have taken this buy here definitely. And my 121 would have been hit already. I definitely would have bought this. We may can see price tapping here. I was planning to buy that the Fundy Trader challenge, but my car was not working. So today I would have been doing it live with you, but I thought my car is not working, man. I don't know what the fuck. So I didn't got there. I'm not really interested in GJ at all today, man. I don't know why. I don't really trade it unless we get a very clean setup. I really what I want here, I'll be seeing if I got that, I'll definitely will be putting risk. Then price tap in here, pause in, and then I'll be entering at the break. That is the only way that I'm gonna take this. I will not take it as a close because it can fake out. Why it can do that? Because we have a lot of imbalance, and I don't know if it is gonna do that or not. We want some evidence if it is gonna go up or not, and that small pullback will be the evidence. Yeah, 14 pips here. I'm gonna mark this in record, guys, cause I was gonna take this type of trade anyway. So technically, since we are streaming, we got 2 wins. Remember my words. I'm giving this trade to you guys. So if you didn't took it, your fault. What is this? Let's say 13 pips. I didn't took it, so I'm gonna just, I have to. How to duplicate this? Okay, I was muted, bro. Share. Fuck it, bro. Bro, I was muted. Anyway, so I was saying we're gonna wait for 12:30 pre-London. We're gonna see moves here. Let's see if we can get sell some gold below this. Because if it breaks, this level is easy. 38 pip. Easily can get 1 to 1.5 or something. Maybe 1 to 2. Because some days there will be 1 to 2s, guys. Like this day. This. I was not active, but if I was, this was, I don't know, 1 to 5 or something. Yeah, this was the next zone. Demand. So definitely would have holded it till here. Just beautiful, bro. And then again we got the sell. I was watching this. See, low, once it got broken, could have easily caught it. This was some impulse entry. Clean range. Technically, we should be done, man. If you took this EJ buy, I would have been done. I would have just closed the stream if I would have taken that. But I'm just seeing if we can get anything so we can trade it. I'm just gonna wait till maybe 1 hour more. Then we're gonna see if the pre-lend is gonna give us opportunities or not. I definitely don't want to trade GJ. I want the push pull back setup. That's the only way. Guys, from how long you are trading? We have 3 people here. I want to know. The nice buy was just at the break of this. I was seeing this too. It just popped back up, down. So it was really not nice. If I would have just made a wick and then break, I would have executed this buy with this as my stop loss, this as my TP. I would have closed something if it would have broken this. But it never happened. Okay, just have to wait for the break of this. 4 hour is having momentum. Trend is down. Clean range. Demand here. You see this wick. This must have been demand on the lower time frame. Yeah. So today's target is this, but today's session target is this. If it breaks this. If it was clean, I would have just sell stop and boom. Would have targeted 1-1. But as you see, not clean, so I can't really do that. this type of setup, if you get these type of setup in pre-London or London, I mean, this is like bread and butter, man. Just take a 1-to-1s, 1-to-2s, whatever the volume can give us. In this case, 1-to-2. These are the setups that we want. Today, to be honest, there is nothing, to be honest, man. Unless we break below this. Hello, bro, GJ, Chucky, GJ. I like EJ instead of GJ, man. Today, I don't know. I feel this can be a fake out, bro. Fake out, close back, fake out to the daily. Yeah, man, it's really tough here. Hello, what's up? What's up? 12-year trading, but still not profitable due to poor risk management. Mainly, but still working on it. Um, Man, I don't know. You can use it as motivation or something. Let me show you something. Yeah, try taking one trade a day, bro. One good trade, bro. 1-to-1 is good. 1-to-1 is good if you're having decent win rate. Look at this. These are all the accounts that I've blown or something like that. So this is my 130K account that I blew this on October. 130K, I was profitable on this for 4 months, and then fucking boom. I did make good money from this, probably like 15K or something. So yeah, I was also VIP, man. Shit. Yeah, things happen, bro. It's cool. It's cool. First trade, I will see. Yeah, you're right. I think it's really not like that, to be honest, like 1-to-1 or something like that. Let's say you are on a challenge, or you have a fresh account and then you are just starting it out, or okay, don't you want to make the profits first? Like if it is your first trade, so first trade, your priority should be just securing the profit. It can be 1-to-1, it can be 1-to-1.5, it can be 1-to-2, even it can be sometimes negative risk to reward. First few trades, you have to, you need that to be profitable, to build that confidence. Then if you, let's say you want 2-3 trades, then you can just increase your targets a little bit. Okay, so this is the way I think you should go. It's not really it's like you are just putting a barrier in front of you. One to one, only one to one, you're taking one to one. If you see here, if you see me here, yesterday I took one to one, today I took 1 to 1.5. Maybe tomorrow we can take 1 to 5. Who knows? Okay. Let's say this gold trade. This was the same setup that we usually take. This sell right here. So this was what? 1 to 6, 1 to 5. All right. So first, if you're starting fresh account, just just target less so that it to build the confidence to just gain up that equity. And once you get that equity, then you can just increase your targets, and that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just doing a challenge right now. I posted a story that day. I'm just testing this clean rain strategy. All right, so I'm doing a challenge right now. It's not like 100K or something. It's a small account. I'm testing out, and if it works, then you will see it here. You will see this here. All right, I'll share this with you guys. My whole goal is to just stream every day and for the next year. And yeah, gold is dumping. Not really. Yeah, if you see here, let me show you. Man, it's not popping out, so I'll leave it. If you see my this video, let me show you. I highly encourage you guys to start a YouTube channel. Why? Because you see here, like I'm not like trading from 5 years, 10 years, so I still make mistakes, okay? And when I make mistakes, I feel down, all right? And I feel like, am I doing things right or not? I encourage you guys to make a YouTube channel. Just record a video, record yourself, just post your journey there. It's good. If you get followers, you may can promote yourself in future. If you not get followers, you can just take a look at yourself. If you feel down, and then you can be like, okay, I've done this, I can do this. Okay, it's very good thing. So if you see here in this video, this is my video. I was having 100% win rate. You see small wins here, almost like 1% win, almost like 1% win, almost like 1.5% win, almost like 0.5% win, 1% win. Okay,